Ikoretwo ari thabari ndaya kuri gavana wa kaunti ya Kirinyaga Anne Mobi wa Iguru kuma riria mutaratara wa kumuhagura watengemanirio bunge-ini ya kaunti iyo na nginyagia kuhagurwo gwake gugikinywo bunge-ini ya Senate na gucoka guthondekerwo kamiti ya andu 11 iria rathuthuragia wira uria uratengemanitio mbere yao ni MCAs a Kirinyaga. No muthia wa Iguru ni ahonokete.
I believe that you have now had the opportunity to go through the report of the special committee on the proposed removal from office by impeachment of the governor of Kirinyaga County.
Kamiti no ya murirwo tariki 16 mweri wa gatandatu igitongorio ni seneta wa kaunti ya Kakamega Cleophas Malala yugite ati bunge ya kaunti iria yamuthitangire mahitia ma kuhuthira wabici oru ungumania gatagati ka mahitia mangi matina ruta wira muiganu uria ngirombire muthingi mukinyaniru wa gutua itua ria kumuhagura.
The violation must be a flagrant and glaring violation. 3. There must be a nexus between the violation and the governor.
Dereti ya kumuhagura yatengemanirio bunge-ini muthi wa gatatu kuria kamiti ino yaheirwo thiku igiri korwo ikirekereria mwerekera wayo kuri speaker wa bunge no Ken Lusaka na kwa ihinda ria thiku igiri hetoku kurari na urugari muingi gatagati ka mwena wa Iguru na MCAs mbere ya kamiti iyo. Na umuthi thiini wa bunge ya Senate mirogamo ngurani ikionanio ni maseneta egie kana ripoti ya kamiti ino ni irathingatire kihoto.
It must not look like we are being irritated or we are irritating people by raising these issues. Senator Malala in his reading of Kericho and Muranga, and the record bears me witness, Mr. Speaker, said we used the criteria adopted by the Senate, not the committee. And I explained myself very clearly, Mr. Speaker, that where governors have been cleared, like the case of Kericho and Muranga, the committee report was not adopted by this House. Therefore, that criteria is not a criteria of the Senate.
Mahitia maria wa Iguru anacukagirwo megie ungumania kamiti ino yugite ati wa Iguru ndakuruhanite na mahitia maya guku ruhonge rwa thuthuria rwa DCI urondumwe na EACC rukiurio ruthuthuria wegania makuruhanitio na ungumania uyu.
Allegations were not directly linked to the governor, and it is therefore not substantiated.
Na hari uhoro wigie thabari cia wa Iguru cia guthie na nja wa bururi kamiti ino yugite ati wa Iguru ndani thabari ohire kuona wira muiganu ndunaheanwo ri kamiti ya bunge.
County Assembly brings 12 allegations and only prosecute 2 and abandon 10, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, the governor adduced evidence of the travel, and where the travel was never undertaken, the imprest was surrendered throughout the time.
Riu kwa ihinda riri wa Iguru eguthie na mbere na wira wake ta gavana wa kaunti ya Kirinyaga, no indi kuringana na seneta wa kaunti ya Nandi Samson Cherargei andu a Kirinyaga ni mahinyiririo na kungikinyagia ati miario ya mwe MCA ya bunge ya Kirinyaga ni kwihokeka. Ditimurano ya kiuteti kaunti nino ironekana utari hindi ya biriria weru.
The fight of corruption is as jared, as comical as it is. There will be no justice for the people of Kirinyaga. Justice should be seen to be done. Justice was not done to the people of Kirinyaga. Corruption fighting in this is a storytelling. This was a soap opera movie for the governor of Kirinyaga, Mr. Speaker, because if you read the whole report, it was just like a soap opera thing that was being done behind somewhere in Kirinyaga Road.
Girifotera Kameme TV, Jitagwa Jerry, Wawa Boy.
Kirinyaga County in a closing